Welcome to our channel, Nourish Nation. Today, we're diving into the amazing health benefits of a humble vegetable that's often underestimated, the carrot. These vibrant, crunchy delights have been loved by many and have stood the test of time as a health-boosting powerhouse. First and foremost, carrots are renowned for their high beta-carotene content, which our bodies convert into vitamin A. This vital nutrient is essential for maintaining healthy vision. It helps protect our eyes from the risk of night blindness and age-related vision decline. So munching on carrots is not only delicious, but also a great step towards preserving your eyesight. Beyond eye health, carrots are packed with antioxidants. These compounds combat harmful free radicals in the body, helping reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Regular consumption of carrots can be a natural way to boost your immune system, keeping common illnesses at bay. Carrots are also an excellent source of dietary fiber, crucial for maintaining healthy digestion. Fiber aids in regulating bowel movements and promotes the growth of good bacteria in your gut, contributing to better digestive health. Including carrots in your meals can support weight management goals, making you feel fuller for longer. Let's not forget the benefits to heart health. The potassium in carrots helps control blood pressure by balancing sodium levels in the body. A heart-healthy diet with carrots may reduce the chances of developing heart disease. Plus, the antioxidants in carrots are known to lower cholesterol levels, further enhancing cardiovascular health. For those concerned about their skin, carrots might just be the answer. The vitamin A in carrots supports skin health by repairing skin tissues and protecting against harmful UV rays. As if that's not enough, carrots are incredibly versatile. They can be enjoyed raw, steamed, roasted, or even juiced. Whether added to salads, soups, or enjoyed as a snack, the ways to incorporate them into your diet are endless. So there you have it. Carrots are more than just a tasty vegetable. They are a nutritional powerhouse with incredible benefits for our eyes, heart, digestion, skin, and overall well-being. Make sure to add them to your next grocery list. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more healthy tips and insights. Until next time, stay healthy and keep it crunchy.